Just take a couple of pictures. Just snap it a little advance.
Lorri and Tess, look at mommy. Look at mommy, Tess. Tess, hello. Look at mommy. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Dad. Here we are. We're still here.
It's funny, I saw that little girl.
Yeah.
Smaller.
Tess, look this way, honey. You like that, Tess? Did you like that, Tess? Hey, Tess. Did you like that? No answer. Okay.
What's the elephant's name?
Give him more. Lisa, out of the way.
I'm sorry, I like the elephant. He's really cute.
Why don't you feed him?
He's so cute.
But do it in a way that I can see.
I've never fed an elephant. It's weird.
Go ahead, Tess. Give him some more.
It's really weird. It's like a vacuum.
It's like a strange hand.
It's like a warm, wet vacuum. That was so funny.
I got elephant snot on my finger.
Oh yeah, let's see. Did you have fun, Tess?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll bet. You too, huh?
Can we see? You look so cute. What's your name?
Out of the way.